This season, we have styled a guest bedroom retreat. I'm excited about our new Dominic bed. This is an oak spindle bed, and it has a removable leather cushion. And I think that this allows you to kind of play with different styles really nicely. A guest bedroom feels welcoming when the bedding is luxurious and inviting. When building the bed, you start with the sheets. These are our new Tencel sheets, and I am obsessed. It's really, really interesting how we created this beautiful channel effect on the duvet. I think that this off-white kind of cream color sits next to whites, but then also sits next to browns really nicely. When you have a low headboard, I usually stack the shams and pillows this way, so you still get a little bit of that headboard peeking up above. And then pillows, all about texture and pattern mixing here. Our new candle is Ember and Tonka Bean. The scent should coordinate with the style of the room. Here we have this moody, kind of more masculine vibe happening in this space, and this candle is the perfect complement.